If you're over having eggs for breakfast on a keto diet, then this recipe will brighten your day. A delicious alternative to cornflakes, this cereal is sure to hit your sweet spot.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So replacing the cornflake, I'm using coconut. But we need to get that crunch of them and stay that way when we pour milk over them. So into a container, I place in my coconut flakes, and then I sprinkle stevia over the top as my sugar substitute. Mix it around and just leave it aside. Next, place your egg whites into a large bowl and whisk them until they become frothy. Then place in the stevia and the coconut and mix them really well. Now what this is doing is creating that frosted flake-like cereal that is going to be crispy but have some sweetness to it as well. Place it on a baking tray lined with baking paper, spread it out and try to make sure the flakes aren't piled up on the tray. Place into a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. Take them out every 5 minutes or so and stir them though. And this will get the coconut evenly toasted on all sides and prevent them from burning. You're after all the chips to be golden brown and crunchy, not soft. Turn the oven off and leave the door open slightly and leave to dry out for 20 minutes. Remove from the oven and leave to cool completely, and I mean completely. These flakes must be kept in an airtight container and they'll keep for up to 2 weeks, but if you don't let them cool, they'll develop moisture and go soft. To serve, you can simply use almond milk, but if you're feeling a little bit more indulgent, mix your almond milk with some heavy cream and use that instead. It's a delicious keto low-carb breakfast alternative for those who are bored with the same old thing in the morning, and great also as a snack during the day. As always, you'll find the recipe and the nutritional info in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.